Hello everyone. Now in question 6 you have to simplify. So first part, in this part you have to take the LCM. So the LCM of 5, 15 and 20 would be 60. So what should be next step? Divide and then multiply. Divide and multiply. So 60 divided by 5, what number you will get it? 12. So 12 multiply 4, so it would be minus 48. Similarly, 60 divided by 15, 60 divided by 15, so you would be getting 4 and 4 multiply 3 would be 12, and here it is a minus sign, so you will put the minus. 60 divided by 20, so it would be 3 and multiply it with 7, you would be getting 21. Now minus 48 and minus 12 both are having same sign, so you will add them together and put the sign of negative and plus 21 upon, what should it be? Upon 60. Upon 60. Now next step, minus 60 plus 21. So 60 and 21. So it would be minus 39 upon 60. So tell me whether you can you able to solve it for the, क्या ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है? Yes, we can cancel it with 3, so 13 and it would be 20. So the answer would be minus 13 upon 20. So always while doing the question, if you can convert it in the standard form, then you have to convert it. Now in second part, observe it, the denominator is negative. So first step, you have to convert the denominator as positive. So here we will write minus 3 in the bracket. So this minus, we will take it on the upper side to become positive. Minus and minus would become positive. So it would be 9 by 52. Okay. Now you have to take the LCM of the denominator number. So the 13, 26 and 52, its LCM would be 52. Now divide 13 with divide 52 by 13. So what it would be? 4. Multiply it with minus 5, so minus 20. Now here minus would become plus, so plus 52 divided by 26, 2, multiply 3, so it would be 6 and here it would be 9. Okay. Now minus 20 plus 15 divided by 52 and in next step minus 5 upon 52. Now in this part, we cannot convert it in the standard form, so you will keep the answer as it is. In third part, straight away you will find out the LCM of the denominator. Why? Because all the terms in the denominator are positive. So its LCM would be 72. 72 would be the LCM. Now 72 divided by 24, what it would be? 72 divided by 24, so it would be 3. 3 multiply 7, 21 plus 72 divided by 12, so it would be 6. 6 multiply 5 is 30. Now similarly 72 divided by 18, it would be 4, multiply it with 11, 44. Next step, take the positive term, collect the positive terms together, and 51 minus 44 upon 72. Now next step, 51 minus 44, so it would be 7 upon 72. Again we cannot convert it in the standard form, so you will keep the answer like this. In fourth part, again the denominator are positive, so you will find out the LCM of 30, 15, 6 and 5. So the LCM would be 30 here. The LCM would be 30. Now same procedure we will follow. So here you will get 30 divided by 15. So it would be 2. So 2 multiply 8, 16. Here it would be 5 multiply 7, 35. Here you would be getting 6 and multiply it with minus 2, so minus 12. Now in next step, you can open the bracket over here. So it would be minus 11 minus 16 plus 35, and plus multiply minus would be minus, so minus 12 upon 30. Now tell me, what should be the next step? Next step, what it would be? These are the negative terms. So you will collect these terms together and then you will go further. So minus 11 and minus 16. So it would be minus 27. So minus 27 plus 35 minus 12 upon 30. Now minus 27 and minus 12, you will add them together. You will add them together. So what it would be? Minus 39 plus this is plus 35 upon 30. So what should be next step? Minus 39 plus 35. So it would be minus 4 upon 30. So can you tell me what should be next step? We can cancel it. So convert it in the standard form. So the answer would be minus 2 by 15. So minus 2 by 15 is the answer. I hope these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.